people, to interact with them, understand the industry values and what they expect artists from us, I think it's going to help in the long term.
Yeah, Hive is taking place after like 2 years, and we have been taking part in the Hive in Delhi, in Bombay, and we have been joined with this group for like 8 to 10 years, and we have always got a very good footfall.
And this is not the first time we are taking part. This is about 15 years we are taking, 15 times we have taken part, and we are the stable and the regular participating with your company.
Well, I believe this is a perfect platform for seller as well as the buyer to come together, interact and create new relations.
So this place actually we needed to, so that all the customers can bring here one place and they can find the different solutions.
Yeah, the experience is fabulous, and we are participating in this exhibition more than 7 years continuous, and the footfall, every time I feel that the footfall is increasing and the more and more people are coming to the exhibition.
Every year we are doing this exhibition, even though this year there was some restrictions regarding COVID, still we were fully prepared to do this exhibition. Other exhibition we had postponed, but this exhibition has given us too much importance and too much clientele, so we have focused on this exhibition and we have reached more than what we have expected.
ये एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने से हमको नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स मिल रहे हैं, कैंडिडेट्स मिल रहे हैं, तो नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स तक हम लोग पहुंच पा रहे हैं।
इस एग्जीबिशन से हमें बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स मिले हैं। मतलब सबसे बड़ा बिज़नेस को क्या चाहिए, मार्केटिंग, सेल्स नेटवर्क चाहिए, और यहाँ से हमें बहुत बिजनेस मिला है।
So there's a little regret that we basically cut down our budget for our stall, because we were not sure like how people would come or whether people would come, whether we would be spending our money well. We are pleasantly surprised. Yesterday we've had a good footfall.
By participating in the expo, it's a platform that we can meet the clients, the importers here, and it helps our manufacturing unit.
Yeah, we meet different distributors, different raw material suppliers. There's very big market for the hand tools.
So it's a good platform to get interacted with the industry specialists. We got to meet many new clients, and a good networking platform has been provided by CWE. We are very thankful for that. And yeah, I think everyone should visit such kind of exhibitions so that you get to understand different verticals of such industry.
To tell you an example, last 2 days I have been standing here. I am getting what are called walking like raindrops. I am fully drenched in the raindrops, and I would say that I was taken away by the crowd. Now I am standing outside, you can see the crowd out behind me.
Absolutely, it's been a delight so far. It has been a very good response considering the COVID times. The potential has been good. There have been several queries.
Hive arrangement is very good, and everything they are that way they are putting to us. It is awesome.
We would love to be part of this exhibition for the next year also, because it's helped us a lot for the networking, for getting new clients, meeting our existing clients, showcasing our products. So it's kind of very beneficial.
Yeah. See, the response has been great over the period of time, and it has been a great marketing PR tool for us. We have been able to connect with a lot of potential buyers, and yeah, it's been a great experience.
We don't have any presence in North India. We were just happy with what we are in South India, basically in Bangalore and Chennai. And now we had few customers coming and dropping in yesterday and today as well, who wants to take up the whole C&F, like become a whole and sole distributor for whole Maharashtra. And also a few guys from Haryana and many from Gujarat.
It's our first experience and we found a lot of new customers here. The audience is very apt here. We are getting the right connections. We are happy about it.
Yeah, this is my first time. We are getting a very good response. I think we expected a little less than this, but this is a very good experience.
Yes, this is my first time. Here is very good response in exhibition and many clients come.
We are satisfied.
We are satisfied to this expo.
With these exhibitions, we can have great clients pan-India. We are able to gather clients from all over India, like eastern parts, western parts as well. If you want to scale up your business, then you should definitely participate in these exhibitions.
We are exhibiting for the very first time. It is very much useful for us. We have listened so many times at this events. There is always a good footfall, and that is absolutely right, and I agree to this. We have got two to three dealers in Maharashtra on this exhibition.
Yeah, this is first time we tried.
The crowd and the visitor came across the India, so we are getting very good response.
Omicron is going on, so every entry after entry, people has to come with a double vaccinated, or they have to show RT-PCR test. So organization is very well.
और हम फर्स्ट टाइम अभी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है हमें. And we are very happy.
It's very beautiful after lockdown. जो अभी crowd देखने मिल रहा है, it's really good. Hive has done really well actually. Really managed very well, and according to the space, they also kept it very clean.
These sort of exhibitions serve two purposes. One is networking, and of course business. I'll give it to 20 out of 10 because of the registration this time.
Actually, for us engineering segment, this is a very good exhibition where the key focus is on the machinery that we would like to have. These are the places where you get to know, rather than sitting down on the web and just having here, you get you got a feel of the product right in front of you, even if you want to hold it, or get to interact and see the machinery in working condition as well.
आप बाहर आओगे, एग्जीबिशन ज्वाइन करोगे तो आपको कुछ नया जानने मिलेगा. एग्जीबिशन के अंदर कुछ नई प्रोडक्ट देखने मिलेगी आपको. आपके बिजनेस के लिए काफ़ी केयरफुल रहता है वो, यानी कि आप नॉलेज लेते जाओगे तो बिजनेस में आगे बढ़ते जाओगे. तो यहाँ पे आने का फ़ायदा ये होता है कि नए लोगों से मुलाकात होती है और आगे जाके फ्यूचर के अंदर बिजनेस के अंदर हमको काफ़ी फ़ायदा देता है वो.
We have improved a lot because of we get some advanced knowledge, some advanced techniques. So those are useful for improving our quality of machine, plants, equipment.
It's done very well. It's organized very well. They've kept the the social distancing, the masking and everything, and it's good.
COVID protocols have been met properly. Even the social distancing and everything is being properly maintained out here. So I'm very satisfied on that part too. I guess at present I'm very satisfied, so I'll probably give 10.
Such type of exhibition I have never seen. Yes, I'm giving the out of 10, topmost.
10 में से 10.
11 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 में से 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 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I'm really delighted to share that finally we are able to deliver an excellent show, and this is the first show which Hive India has delivered after the COVID pandemic. I also want to thank all my exhibitors who have shown confidence in us, and they participated with us and make this show a big success. We are looking forward to make it much better for the Delhi edition, which is actually going to happen in next year, August 2022.
So we're glad that we could create this platform back for the industry, and together we've managed to bring the show back to life. We've had all these major stakeholders back on the platform, and we're happy that we were the, I would say, instrumental in bringing this connection, the human face-to-face connections back for this industry. So the next edition is scheduled to be in Delhi. We hope to have the situation with COVID back to normal at that time, and we're looking at a significant international participation in the next edition. Thank you.